Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Angular, that is Angular 21 on your Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how to create latest Angular projects right on Visual Studio. So first you need to download these two software. One is NodeJS and Visual Studio. I have already made a detailed video about it, or else you can just simply go to this Visual Studio code link and you can download it. And you need to also download NodeJS, but remember to download LTS edition. Alright, so usually it shows current edition. Do not download current edition, always download latest version of LTS edition. So that is v24 at this point of time. So I'm going to select that. If you are facing any issues, you can always refer to these two videos to know how to install Visual Studio Code and Node.js. Once you download these two software and install it, you can just verify that as well. So just go to search and open command prompt and just simply type node space dash version and hit enter. I'm going to show you this LTS edition that we have already downloaded. Once you have that, it's time to install Angular. So first just simply type npm, then install -g because we are going to install globally, then @angular /CLI. That's it, hit enter. That's going to install Angular for you locally on your system. You need to have active internet connection during this installation, and there you go. You can see it is rightly done. So to verify your latest Angular version, just simply type ngv, hit enter, and it's going to show you this prompt over here. So Angular CLI latest version 21 is rightly installed on your system. Now let's create an Angular project. So just create a new folder, give it Angular projects, go to your folder, select your address bar, type cmd to open your command prompt right at this location. And here to create an Angular project, just simply type ng new and then you need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as hello Angular, hit enter. So that's going to immediately ask you whether you like to share some data anonymously, and just give n, hit enter, which style sheet you want to use. I'll proceed with traditional CSS. Next it's going to tell whether you like to enable server-side rendering or static site generation. I'll proceed with static site generation, so give n and hit enter. Next it's asking which AI tool you'd like to configure with. Again, it's totally your wish. You can proceed with anyone. I usually prefer GitHub Copilot a lot, so you can simply proceed with GitHub Copilot. I have already made a video about that. In this particular video I'm going to proceed with none for easier installation of Angular. So it could immediately start creating our Angular project, and you can see that it is rightly done. So let's first go inside our project Hello Angular. So cd Hello Angular, hit enter. So now we are inside Hello Angular project, and let's open this project right on Visual Studio Code. So just simply type code dot, hit enter. So that's going to invoke Visual Studio Code by opening this Hello Angular project. Yes, I trust the authors. So our project is rightly open. So if we expand this src folder, you can see you have an app folder which has all these files. So now if you just simply go to terminal and invoke a new terminal, you can see that terminal is rightly open. So I'll recommend you to go to Explorer now and enable this npm scripts. So that's going to show you this npm scripts over here. Click on that and click on just beside start this run button. So that's going to invoke npm run start command on terminal and going to start our application. Just click on this localhost 4200 and our project is rightly open over here. So in this way you can easily install latest version of Angular. You can start working on your Angular projects. If you're interested in Python, I highly recommend you to follow these codes. So all these projects are completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So you can check this out. I'm sure you're going to love them. And if you're interested in WordPress, so for that we have this playlist. So do watch all these videos, and also mention on our comment sections if you're liking this video and what video you want next. I really love reading all of your comments. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.